Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Eliel and welcome back to my video. And today we'll be talking about some few advices for new beginner traders and also for advanced traders. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I promise you guys, you will enjoy this video. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. So what are the advices which I wish they gave me as a new beginner trader? These are the advices which I also wish they told me way before time, which could have helped me to improve in trading way longer than now. So I will share with you guys today, and hopefully you guys can implement them, and I promise you guys you will see some growth in your trading. Without wasting time, let's go straight to the video. Number one, only listen to advice from Forex traders or from a trader. You cannot listen to Forex advice to someone who doesn't trade, because at the end of the day, people do not trust this industry, you see. So when you go to your parents or you go to your friends or your girlfriend or whatnot and you tell them about trading, obviously they won't take it serious, because it's not something which a lot of people do. So they'll be like, oh, you wanna take this thing is a scam and whatnot. And in that thing, it actually discourages you. Even a lot of parents, which I know some of you guys have approached your parent and said, mommy, daddy, I want to do this 1 2 3, and their reaction is always like, why are you pushing such thing? Is it not a scam? You won't make profit. Who have you seen succeeding with this thing? A lot of people don't do this. They'll force you to their way to only go to school and follow those things. I'm not saying that do not go to school or don't go work and whatnot. What I'm saying is that just follow advices from Forex traders. You cannot follow advices from someone who doesn't trade. You get me? The second advice, guys, think in long term. Stop thinking in short terms. You see, a lot of people are not successful just because they only think in short term. They don't think it in the long term. You see, you have back tested this strategy and you see it working. Now you trade 10% of your account, and how do you expect to keep it to continue growing when you risk more than normal? You see, just because you have a strategy which tells you that you can only have 2 losses in a row, that doesn't mean that you can risk 10% of your trade, because at the end of the day, we do not know the market. It can change and you will blow your account. You see, a lot of people, they want to get rich quick. If you take Forex trading in a long term, trust me, you will see results way better than when you rush it. You get me? So let's take step by step. Take it. You can even give yourself a year for you to have the amount which you're looking for. Do not rush it. Allow it to take time. Allow yourself to learn throughout the process. Allow yourself to see growth throughout the process. Do not rush it. Do not make it fast. Take slow steps. You see, in that way you will see results way quicker than yourself rushing it. You see, the third advice which I think I should share with you guys is that be ready to believe in yourself, because Forex trading, it's something which needs yourself to believe in yourself, right? I'll give you an example, right? If you look at all these big traders who we are all looking up to, people like Thankx, you know, all those people, do you think when they started with Forex, do you think they knew about Forex trading? Obviously not. You see, they also had people which they were looking up to, and they were telling themselves, you know what, if this person can actually do it, why can I also not do it? You get me? That's the mindset we should all have, especially for new beginner traders who are still trying to look for consistency in the market. Make sure you look at the person which you look up to in trading, and look at them and just tell yourself that, you know what, this person, when he came to this industry, he knew nothing about it. We're all the same people who thought like it was very difficult, but once they started putting work, they started putting so much work. Look at where they are today. People are actually looking up to them. So it's the same thing with us, you know. Let's learn to put work and just focus on the work, and stop looking at other people's level and be like, I will never reach there. No, if you think you won't reach there, you won't. But if you think you will reach there, trust me, you will reach there through hard work. You get me? So always when you facing losing streak, just continue pushing with the market, and just continue telling yourself, you know, that if other people can make it, I can also make it. Because before we started trading, we all came with the same vision that we did not know anything about trading, you see. But just because of consistency, look, even for myself, I knew nothing, bro. Like, I knew nothing about Forex, but right now I can say I know quite a lot. No, not everything, but quite a lot, you know, before you guys come for me. So yeah, guys, by the way, guys, as you can see, today is very cold, man. That's why we have the the fire at the back, you know, to heat up a bit because it's very cold today. Anyway, the next point is be your own motivator. You know, a lot of us forex traders, we look for motivation from other people, from other places, instead of you motivating yourself. You know, if you look at motivation from other people, if those people are not there, trust me, you will not be motivated. But if you are your own motivator, you have your own things which motivate you, you know, you will always keep pushing. Because in forex, what you need is consistency. If you can get up every day and show yourself on the chart, trust me, you will see results. But if you keep for you to go and look at the chart, you have to look for some sort of motivation from your friends, from TikTok and all that. Trust me, man, you will not succeed in a long run. You get me? Because you will get tired of those motivation. But if you can motivate yourself that, you know what, I'm doing this to be there, I'm doing this to reach that place, you will reach it because you're motivating yourself. The next point which I think I should share with you guys is that have someone who can keep you accountable. You know, someone like a mentor, someone like a friend who maybe knows a bit about forex. Someone, it can be anybody who you can ask them to keep you accountable, as in maybe every end of the week you go to them and ask them to check maybe the trade you took, and ask them, did all this trade that I took, do you think they did fit my plan? In that way, you know that, you know what, I have someone who will check up on me, so let me not make stupid mistakes, you know. Or even if you do not have someone who can keep you accountable, it can be yourself, you know. Every end of the week, make sure you go back to the weeks, the trades which you took before the entire week, and check them, that did I take right trade or were they stupid trades? You get me? You have to make sure that you take proper trades. And if not, if you see mistakes, that's why I advise a lot of people to journal your trades, because in that way you do see your mistake, what type of mistake you're making. Because if you do not journal your trade, how are you gonna know which trades were bad trades that you're not supposed to take and which trades were good trades? You see? So yeah, guys, if you're getting value, please drop a like button or subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please, guys, let's grow together. You know the vibes. So yeah, I think that's very important, which I had to share with you guys. Now let's jump straight to the next point. The next point, which I think is very important for you guys, is that try out everything, bro. Like, if you are still new in trading, try out as much things as you can think of, from like different strategies, and try out different indicators and all that, so that you have an understanding of forex. Because a lot of us, we limit ourselves on one thing. You see, we come here and we only focus on one thing. But if you have tried out everything, you at least you do have an idea of what happens in this in this department, what happens in that department. You get me? Because I will come to you and ask you, even though you don't trade it, you at least you should know what is the support, what is the resistance, what is demand, what is supply. You need to learn everything, you see, in order for you to now filter everything and have what works for you. You see, the last point which I think I should share with you guys is that have a system, understand your system. You get me? Now, when I say system, it is your strategy. You need to understand it from the back. Like, you do not need anybody to explain to you your strategy. You need to explain to them without even reading the chart or wherever you wrote your trading plan. Understand your system so well in that way. You need to understand your average win rate, your average RR, which is your risk to reward. You need to understand your average losing streak, your losing streak of your system. In that way, so that when you do see such losing streak, you do understand that, no, in my system, this is normal. It happens. You see, at the end of the day, I will recover it. That's very important, guys. I hope you guys got value in this video. And if you did, please subscribe, drop a like button. As I said again, we do have a community or a group chat, a Telegram group chat and WhatsApp group chat in the link below. Please, guys, if you wanna know, if you wanna learn anything, join those links. We'll be sharing different things, you know, from mindset advice, from chart advice, or chart analysis, anything which you guys wanna learn about. Please, you're gonna see me in the group. Join them, the Telegram group and the WhatsApp group, guys. So it's your boy Eliel, and I'm signing out. Peace, guys.